Hey there, Tesla fans. Aaron Rath here with Rat's Tesla, just coming out to my garage because I got a new product today in the mail from my friends at Hansshow, and I want to get it installed. This is a super easy install. You may have already seen this product from a couple other people, but I wanted to get this installed in my car because this is super easy to install. And this is, I'm dropping the box. This is this ambient light kit from Hansshow, and it goes in the charging area of the car, and it provides ambient lighting. Your phone will still charge, and if you have AirPods, excuse me, that charge, it will charge there. It gives you a place to see your time and all that stuff, and it is inside this box. This kit from Hansshow also comes with cabling to give you footwell lights down there where you see my purple lights. So we're going to get this installed. Like I said, this is probably one of the easiest installs you will ever see me do or anybody do. It literally, you just take this out. You just take this out of the box, and you need to make sure that these cables are running in the right spot. Let me mess with this a little bit and get these cables unwound and untangled. Okay. Literally, you just want to make sure that both those cables are hanging out the edges. You're going to take this and you're going to sorry, let me move the box. We're going to take these and pull them off to the side. This one's off to this side, and then you're just going to kind of slide it up and push it down into place. And what's going to happen is, as soon as this slides into its spot, you'll see the blue light come on, and then you'll see the ambient lighting right there along with the footwell lights lit up. Very cool, and I really like the way it looks. I have footwell lights that are over there. I actually might take these and string them out as far out as I can, just to add a different light in a different location. But you can see that this lights up, and then you get this little touch screen here. So this part up here will charge your AirPods. It still allows your phone to charge right here, and it gets its power from this Qi charger behind this. So if we touch the screen, so this is all swipeable. So if you swipe to the left, you get these things. So like effect, breathe. You can see breathe, it kind of goes in and out. And then voice, if I touch voice, it goes based on my voice. If I had music playing, it would pick that up and it would go by that. Then you've got roll. Roll kind of gives you this little roll effect. And then light puts it on a certain light. Rest screen on and off, that's to turn the screen on and off. And then language. Here's a way to pick your light or your color. So I kind of like that color. It kind of matches with what I have. So we'll keep scrolling here. You can change the brightness, and you can change the sound control if you're using the voice one. Swipe again, and it gives you a clock, and then again, atmosphere lamp settings. So we pick that one. It kind of matches what I already have, and then we'll go from there. I'm actually thinking about putting these down here just to kind of throw some lights off to the side. Now, the one thing that you can do, you can swipe to the right again. Then you get a kind of just a overall view of what's on there. So it shows you the color, the effect, the rest screen, gives you the RGB code for the color that you have selected, and then you go back. So I want to try this rest screen. We're going to change to on, and then I want to go back. All right, so this touch screen is kind of finicky, but I figured out to change the time, you just click on it up in the corner here. Now it's not going to do it that I'm got the camera on it. It's all about the corners. So you get it right there, then you can change the day. So it is August 2nd. The time is 2:53, so it's in military time. So if you don't know your military time, anything over 12, you subtract 12. So we got our year, month, day, hour, and minute. So once that's done, pick the green arrow, and then the time is updated, and then it just comes on and off. So super easy install. Like I said, if you just want to add some easy ambient light to your car, this is a great way to go. Like I said, you can get this on Hansshow. It's hautoparts.com. I'll have a link in the description down below, and a discount code as well. It's Rats Tesla. Just throw that in at checkout, and that'll get you a discount for everything at checkout, not just for this ambient lighting kit. So let me know if you like this, if it's something that you're looking for. Like I said, super easy to install. You don't have to go through all the trouble of putting in all the other ambient lights like I have in. I know my daughter's car is the 2024 Tesla Model 3. She's got the ambient lights in. She likes it. My wife does not have ambient lights in her car, so I'm wondering if this might end up in her car simply because it gives ambient lights and it has the footwell lights as well. But either way, I really like the product. It's super easy to install, took no time at all, and looks really good. It fits in there really good. There's not really any parts popping up. I like that you can see the clock right there. You can still charge your phone, and if you have AirPods, you can charge those as well. So that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell button. That way you get notified if there's new videos. Drop a comment on this. Drop a like on this. None of that costs you anything, but it helps my channel, helps me show up more in the algorithms here within YouTube. But I appreciate you watching this video. If you're still watching, thanks for watching it to the end. As always, thanks for watching. Get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and we will catch you in the next video.